I want to write poems for you and then recite them to the world over God-sent melodies that flow with ease and sync with your heart when it beats. Wrap you in the fabric of every word as it leaves my tongue and have you hold on tight to the edges and the seams. I want to ask God about you, and I will listen when He speaks about your being as a person, as a masterpiece. I want to ask Him what to do with you, what to do when your eyes draw me into a picture that even eternity cannot erase. How your laughter echoes on the walls of my heart and within every fiber of my being, forging a beautiful forever. That love paints across my face, slicing onions in my eyes and putting jumbles in my speech. I want to hold you tight until you fall asleep, drifting into the magic of blue skies and the greenest landscapes you've ever seen. And I want to spawn nations in your being with just my word and my deeds. Wrap 1,000 promises onto a diamond in a ring and give it to you. And stack your hopes and all my dreams into your favorite thing and give it to you. Then speak to you in a language that could only be understood by the people in our dreams. Dreams that we share that make the evil in our midst disappear into a cloud that is dragged away by 3 angels and 2 unicorns, revealing a space so majestic that I will want to be because you belong. And I want our children to grow out of the joy that you create with the rainbows that sit on the corners of your smiles and the wisdom that faith planted and still sits on the corners of your mind. And I want to tell you the truth about everything, like the truth about where the ends are going, about the beauty in a fire river when it's flowing, how the colors stick to butterfly and paint how the colors stick to butterflies and paint the mothers without knowing. I want to tell you the truth about me and everything that I want, because you are everything that I want.